On the board, we have been asked to look for the value of x here. And to be able to find the value of x here, you need to use the law of indices here, which says you have 5 raised to the power of x times 5 raised to the power of y, which gives us 5 raised to the power of x plus y. Now, give us a plus of y. So in this aspect, we will substitute this we have here into this, making it 5 raised to the power of x times 5 raised to the power of 1. See it now? Then you have your equal to 6 raised to the power of x on the board. Now, in this aspect, what should we do? In order to look for the value of x, we need to eliminate this out of it so that we can process it to get the value of x we are looking for. To do that, we divide by 6x, 6x, 6 raised to the power of x. Now, when 6 raised to the power of x cancel this, it gives us 1. So we have 5 raised to the power of x times 5 raised to the power of 1 all over 6 raised to the power of x equal to 1. This is what we have here. When you say it. Now, what about the next thing? To do this, we need to single out the factor of x. Here, single out the factor of x. How? It will be like this: 5 raised to the power of x times 5 raised to the power of 1 is the same thing as 5. Then you have your 6 raised to the power of x equal to 1. Now let us single out the factor of x here. In order to single out the factor of x, what should we do? Now obey the law of indices, which says x over y in the square, in the brackets, raised to the power of a. X over y in the bracket raised to the power of a is the same thing as x raised to the power of a over y raised to the power of a. See it now? So this law, we'll put this law here now. Now it will now become 5 over 6 in a bracket raised to the power of x, which gives us the same thing as this. See it? Times 5 equal to 1. Now having done this, we want to make this 5 over 6 raised to the power of x stand on its own. For 5 over 6 raised to the power of x to stand on its own, we need to divide both sides by this 5 here, so that 5 will cancel out. So we divide both sides, we say divided by 5 and divided by 5. When 5 cancel out this 5, what is remaining? You have your 5 over 6 in the bracket x is equal to 1 over 5. Now, having done this, remember we are still looking for the value of x. Now, what should we do? We need to obey the law of logarithm, which says log of a base to its number. Log of a base to its number is equal to 1. Log of a base to its number is equal to 1, which says this will become the base. Obey the law of logarithm, we said log of a base to its number will give us 1 raised to the power of x, which gives us equal to x, using the x to multiply the log a base a, which gives us 1. See now? So we use this formula here, or we use this law here to work on this. No, this now becomes the base. We use 5 over 6 as the base. So it will be log 5 over 6 in base 5 over 6, then raised to the power of x. Log 5 over 6 in base 5 over 6. Log 5 over 6 raised to the power of x in base 5 over 6. So we're using this 5 over 6 as the base. Then raise the x as a power. Remember, we're looking for the value of x. Now, equal to, we say log, you have a 1 over 5 in base 5 over 6. Now, to obey the law of logarithm, we use the power to multiply the log, which gives us x log 5 over 6 in base 5 over 6, which gives us log 1 over 5 base 5 over 6. Now, log 5 over 6 will cancel the base, give us 1. When this cancels, this gives us 1. So it becomes x times that 1 is x. So you have your x, which is equal to log 1 over 5 base 5 over 6, which is our answer. That is the answer of it. Thanks.